Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Stellar XLM taken a huge pump after 20 July 2021, 22 July. The XLM taken a huge pump. Absolutely, I really appreciate after this jump XLM for investment, my friends. And I recommend for all of you to invest in XLM. You can see that is the big opportunity for all of you to invest in a Stellar XLM. You can see here, my friends, that now the currently situation is going wrong in Stellar XLM. At this time the situation is going wrong, my friends, but again I recommend for all of you to invest in a Stellar XLM. Why? Because now the currently situation, the price falls down, the price is decreasing, so the price is low. Buy more and more Stellar XLM and invest more and more because the price is low. And absolutely, my friends, it's the last of month. In the last of month, there is a higher possibility that the price will explode, the price will increase, and you get profit from the Stellar XLM, my friends. So hold it, my friends. If you're a holder, hold it. And if you want to invest more and more in XLM, so that's really a good idea for all of you. Invest now because you can see I'm really happy to see this jump. You can see absolutely very highly jump so far in the Stellar XLM. I really love to see this kind of jump in a cryptocurrencies market. So congratulations to all XLM holders. And you know what, my friends, I'm sure about Stellar XLM future, that Stellar Lumens only give you profit, not loss. Hold more and more, hold. Never decide to sell, my friends. Just hold it, just buy more and more. Anyways, how do you feel today about Stellar XLM? Good or bad? Tell me your personal opinion about that. Good or bad about Stellar XLM? And remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.